Hello guys, today we are going towards Igatpuri, and as you know that Igatpuri is quite near to Mumbai. Everyone plans to go to Himalayas and other places which are quite far away and very expensive to travel. Why don't you try Igatpuri this monsoon or maybe the next monsoon? Because the views which you will get are picturesque. Igatpuri is just 2 to 3 hours from Mumbai, depends on where you start from. Everyone knows that Igatpuri is famous for its vada pav when you travel by train, but when you travel by road, you won't find vada pav stalls on the road. So after crossing Shahpur, that will take you around 1 hour, approx 1 hour to 1.5 hours from Bombay. The entire route is similar to what you are seeing right now. You won't see large buildings or any settlements, just green. That is what you will look at. And the best part of the views are chasing these trains, which adds a dynamic factor to the entire view of Igatpuri. So do try to take a moment whenever, and especially when you take a moment or when you break your journey, do park at a very safe distance from the road. Do not park immediately on the road and go take a picture, but do go over the road shoulder and then stop. Traveling to Igatpuri is only enjoyable during monsoons, because after that you wouldn't see these green and black contrasting views. So driving is quite fun here, but you need to know the rules, how to drive properly and safely while you travel on these roads, especially during monsoon when the roads are slippery and there are quite steep turns and roundabouts, and when you're traveling on a hilly region. The entire area is covered by these meadows, and you will see small streams and rivulets flowing from these old mountains. Now we have entered the ghat area, which is after Kasara, and this entire patch is filled with small cascading waterfalls. And be mindful of where you stop. Do not just stop on the road. Try to get a clear path where you can park your vehicle, but do look outside the window and see the natural beauty. So now we are seeing a waterfall again. So you don't need to stop at every waterfall or maybe the first waterfall, because there are several ones which are ahead, and all of them are quite intriguing and beautiful. Another important thing to note are landslides, and it is very common on these roads and during monsoons. So be mindful, if you see something rumbling or moving, you need to stop. So we are seeing again another landslide. Maybe this was last night. So we have the barricades put on so that the commuters are known about the problems. So we are nearing the top of this hill, and this is the best view, I would say. But remember, again, there are people who are halting here directly on the road itself to get this view, but do not do this. It is quite important that you observe road safety. There is a path in front where you can go and park your vehicle and then come walking by. So here you are seeing two tunnels, and if you're lucky enough, you'll see a train. And now we are seeing a train on the bridge itself. So even if you don't stop here, you have this view. So now we are approaching our first point, that is called as the Camel Valley Point, and this is just before Manas Resort and Petting Zoo. Isn't it amazing to look at this view? So this is the second point, which is also commonly known as Igatpuri Railway Bridge. So as the name suggests, that there will be a bridge here, and obviously a train would pass. But the view of this entire picture is amazing. As you can see, there is a train which is passing by, there is one river which is flowing, and you can only see green throughout. And now we will see the bridge also. So after looking at the Camel Valley Point, just within 10 minutes you will find a BPCL petrol pump. Just take a left and you will see this bridge. It's more like a hidden view or a secret point, but if you look at the Google Earth image or Google Maps, you will be able to find this spot. So there are some more hidden views of Igatpuri which I will cover in the next part. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.